combat stress. Okay? So, bakit? Kasi we have this nature's finest ingredients na meron po sa berry orak natin. So, as you can see, meron ditong acai berry or acai berry, acerola, camu-camu, grapeseed, resveratrol, astaxanthin, noni, mangosteen, lingonberry, grapeseed, jabuticaba. So, usually, ito po kasi is more on anti-inflammatory po sila. So like yung resveratrol po natin, it activates longevity genes and helps clear amyloid plaques. We have also astaxanthin. So usually it crosses the blood-brain barrier and it protects the cells and boosts our energy. We have also acai or acai, which is rich in anthocyanins that protects brain cells or even supports memory. We have also the acerola, which is very high in vitamin C, and it aids in neurotransmitters and mood. And the camu-camu, which is antioxidant rich, that protects the brain as well from stress and boosts the serotonin levels. Okay? So, uh, meron din po tayong jabuticaba, which is it enhances the blood flow and supports the brain cell survival. We have the grapeseed na naka-incorporate sa berry orak po natin that improves memory and protects the neurons. So sabi ko po kanina, kapag walang magpro-protect sa cells natin, specifically sa neurons, then definitely that is why nagkakaroon pa tayo ng nagbaba ng stress. Kapag once na-enhance po natin yung regeneration dun sa po natin, dun sa brain cells. Okay? We have also lingonberry, which is anti-inflammatory that improves mitochondrial function. The mangosteen, the famous mangosteen that contains xanthones and promotes calmness and mental clarity, and the noni that reduces brain inflammation and supports neurotransmitter balance. Okay? So, as much as possible, when we use this very ORAC value, a product from NanoCell, in short term, then we feel more energized or even focused and clear-headed with daily antioxidant support. And for long term, we protect the brain from aging, we improve the cognitive function and support healthy digestion as well. And we ensure our body stays resilient even under stress.